Hey guys, welcome to FoodTube. I'm your host Joe again. So today we are gonna make some Rice Krispies Buzzard Nuts. So my niece is gonna help me in the background. So she's just gonna be in the background helping cook this. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So let's get started on making the Buzzard Nuts. So the ingredients that you would need is Rice Krispies, marshmallows, mini eggs or jelly beans if you guys do. I use Cadbury mini eggs because they're so good. And also the tools that you would need is muffin, tin, and a pot. So let's get started. I totally forgot to mention that you guys need butter too, you guys.
So the first things first is 3 tablespoons of butter, you guys. So we are just putting that in the pot, and let's do this, you guys.
So Lux is gonna put the whole thing of marshmallows in the pot. Big plastic, Lux.
Uh-oh. That's the one I have to fold it. There you go. Now it's working. Uh-oh.
Then next you just stir until it's nice and thick. Do I stir it? You can do it.
I think I'm not stirring it good, really.
So it's nice and melted down.
Yep. I know what you mean.
All over the place.
Oops, I can't.
That's fine.
It's really hard sometimes.
That's fine. I'm just helping you.
Just in case.
Because you have to get all like that, because you don't want it sticking to the bottom of the pan.
That won't be good.
No. Okay, so how much cups do you need, Lux? You need, what do you have in your hand?
1 cup.
So if you need, how many cups? If you need 6 cups, how many do you need?
I know, not 6 cups.
No. How many cups is this?
1
Look at.
cup.
So if I say 6 cups, how many cups do you need?
2.
Think about it. 6 cups, Lux? How many? And this is 1 cup. How many do you need?
1.
No. This is 1 cup. Think it through, Lux. You have 1 cup. Okay. So I said I needed 6 cups. How many do you need?
6.
So there you go. So you need how many cups?
6.
How many of this?
6.
There you go. So look.
Good?
Yep. You're good. Wow. How many is that?
1. Whoa. Uh-oh.
That's fine. We can clean up. Let's try that.
2.
Yeah, just put it over the pot, Lux. Put it over this.
That's better. Then we won't get some more on the ground.
Yeah.
2, 3. 4. 5. 6. That's it.
You just have to let this cool down, you guys, until it's cooled down before we touch anything else. So also, if you guys want to make it really fancy and neat, you could actually add some green food coloring and coconut in this. And that's basically what this is. Or if you can find green coconut, go right ahead, try to find green coconut. It's sometimes hard to find green coconut, but that's okay, you guys. And also to top it up with the Cadbury eggs, you guys, because these are so good. So we are gonna wait till that cools down, you guys, and then we will show you guys the next step. So right now, you guys, we are just sticking it in the thing. With just eggs.
With just eggs?
Yep.
I just want eggs too. How many eggs? Just like that?
2 should be enough, yeah.
And then give it to her?
Just put it aside, because I can just put it down. It's fine, Lux.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. There's the robins in the nest. I mean, but in the nest, whatever you guys like call it, there you guys go. So that's how you do it. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.